We have something interesting over here. Not the red rooms. See, there's a wee tail there. Hello, sweetie. You gonna let us see your babies? Can you hear them? Are we allowed to see them? I don't know how many babies are in there yet, but we have some turquoisine babies in this nest box thing that I made out of an old eucalyptus log. It's made quite some time ago and nobody's ever used it, and they finally used it to get away from Tweety, I think. Any place is safe from here at the moment. You gonna show us your babies? I'll come back later. I just saw Mummy fly out of the nest, so we'll have a quick look in here, see what we've got going on. Hello, who's in there? Just the one, is it? You by yourself? It looks like just the one turquoisine baby in there, a couple of eggs that haven't hatched, but they won't hatch now, they're too late. That baby's coming along nicely. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Get back now, Mummy. So that's cool. Glad there's not half a dozen of them in there because we've got too many Turks as it is. But a female for, oh hello. A female for Zooey would be good. Good. Ooh, matter. Yeah, be good if Zooey had a little girlfriend. Might stop him picking on yellow. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next clip.